Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about NIC card speed or bandwidth. The speed of NIC card means how many bits it can send per second. Here I have put the images of different types of NIC cards, and all these types of NIC card we already discussed in our previous sessions. So in this session, we will see the speed or bandwidth being offered by all these types of cards. First one is the Ethernet card, second image of wireless card, and the third image is of USB card. So before we jump to the NIC speed, let's understand few important points. First is the without NIC card, communication is not possible among computers network. You cannot access internet without NIC card. Routers, computers, network switches, smartphones, tablet, all will have at least one NIC card. They can have more than one as well, like wireless NIC card plus Ethernet NIC card. NIC card operates on the data link layer and physical layer. It sends the data or message to the network or any networking device like router, switch, via cable or Wi-Fi connection in the form of digital signal. A digital signal means a stream of zeros or ones as shown in the image. You can see the one image which is showing the pulse. So that is the digital signal, and I have drawn it corresponding to the bits mentioned on the image. And NIC card also receives the data from network or any networking device via cable in the form of digital signal. Now let's see how fast are the network interface cards. Every NIC comes with a speed rating such as 10 Mbps, 100 Mbps, also in GBs, that suggest the performance of the NIC. Speed rating like 100 Mbps, 1000 Mbps, 10 Gbps, even more, which represent the number of megabits or gigabits that can be transmitted each second by the NIC card. Let's see the maximum speed which is being offered by different types of card. First is the Ethernet card. Ethernet card can offer speed up to 100 Gbps. Wi-Fi can offer speed up to 866.7 Mbps. USB card can offer speed up to 10 Gbps. You can see there is a huge difference between Ethernet card speed and Wi-Fi and USB. Now let's see Ethernet card in detail. As I mentioned, it can offer speed up to 100 Gbps, gigabits per second. So on the basis of speed, I have divided Ethernet cards in three parts. First is the regular Ethernet, which can offer speed up to 10 Mbps. So normally it was used in old computers, in personal PCs. Second is the fast Ethernet. So this Ethernet is also known as 100 Mbps Ethernet. So 100 Mbps Ethernet is known as a fast Ethernet. It is used in the personal PCs, office computers. Third is the Gigabit Ethernet. This is the latest Ethernet, and it can offer speed more than 1 Gbps, more than 1000 Mbps. Right now it is coming in 10 Gbps, 25 Gbps, 40 Gbps, 100 Gbps, and you will see 400 Gbps also future. And these gigabit Ethernet are used in the data centers, servers, also in the office routers. I have attached one image from the command prompt where you can see the Ethernet speed of my computer. First is showing the Ethernet card, Hyper-V virtual Ethernet adapter. So that is showing 10 Gbps. So the speed is in the bits per second. If you convert into Gbps, it will come out as 10 Gbps. Now let's see Wi-Fi NIC speed in detail. Wi-Fi NIC can offer speed up to 866.7 Mbps. We have two standards in Wi-Fi: 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 150 Mbps. Second is 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. 802.11n, which can offer speed up to 1 and second is 802.11 AC standard, which can offer speed up to 866.7 Mbps. Wi-Fi NIC is sufficient for personal work or office computers, but this cannot match the speed of Ethernet. So where high transmission rate is needed, like 1 Gbps or more, we always use Ethernet NIC card. So in data center servers, you will find Ethernet connection, not Wi-Fi, because servers uses high speed connection like 10 Gbps, 25 Gbps, 40 Gbps, 100 Gbps, even more. But Wi-Fi NIC card comes with some advantages, like there is no need to run cables throughout the office, and employees don't have to be physically connected to one of the cables for them to do their work. Second is we can easily connect to Wi-Fi network using a smartphone, tablets, computer, whereas Ethernet networks are typically limited to desktop PCs and laptops. I have attached one screenshot where you can see the wireless AC adapter, and it is showing the speed up to 130 Mbps. So in the screenshot, the speed in the bits per second, when you convert in Mbps, it will come out 130 Mbps. Now let's see how to check NIC speed in Windows using command prompt. So first you need to launch command prompt in administration mode and run below command highlighted in the green. You can see the screenshot which is showing the output of this command, and we will have two parameter, name and speed, as mentioned in the command itself. So name is showing the network card name, and speed is showing the speed limit being offered by those cards. So in my computer I have two network adapter. First is the Ethernet adapter and second is the Wi-Fi. Ethernet adapter is offering speed of 10 Gbps and Wi-Fi is offering speed of 130 Mbps. These speeds in the command prompts are in bits, so you can convert in Gbps or Mbps. This is how you can check the NIC card speed in Windows. Now let's see few important points which we need to keep in mind when we are selecting or upgrading the NIC card. NIC performance depends on two factors. First is the available NIC bandwidth. Second is the bandwidth of internet service provider for which you are paying. I have noted down few cases. First is the suppose you have taken the internet connection at home which is offering the speed of 10 Mbps. But in your computer the NIC card is having speed limit of 54 Mbps. So in this case you will not get the speed of 54 Mbps in your computer. You will get only speed 10 Mbps. Now second case, you have taken the internet connection of 15 Mbps, but you are using an NIC card of 11 Mbps. Then in this case you will not get internet speed of 15 Mbps. You will get only up to 11 Mbps max. And third case is you have taken the internet connection of 54 Mbps and your NIC card also support this speed. But you have two computers connect to the network. So both computers will not get the internet speed of 54 Mbps. The internet speed would be divided in two parts since two computers are connected, and each computer will get internet speed of 27 Mbps. So looking at these cases, you can understand that to get the good performance, you should have a balance between NIC speed as well as the internet connection speed. So if you are thinking to increase the internet speed of your infrastructure, then always consider the NIC bandwidth supported by your existing NIC cards. Also keep in mind how many person will use the internet So just getting the high speed connection, so just getting the high speed internet connection from ISP will not help if other parameters are not in place. So what I mean is, if you have taken the internet speed connection of 100 Mbps, but your NIC card supports speed up to 10 Mbps only. So you will not get speed more than 10 Mbps even if you have taken the internet connection of 100 Mbps. These are the few points you should keep in mind when you are thinking to select a new NIC card or upgrading the existing NIC card. So just upgrading the NIC card will not help you to get the more speed, or just increasing the internet service provider connection speed will not help you. You should have a proper balance between two speeds, NIC speed as well as internet service provider speed. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.